Here is my final milestone project presentation of my To the Stars website. Here are my goals that I had set for myself going into class. Get extremely comfortable with HTML and CSS. Use JavaScript to build something cool on the website. This is what I then took to go build my Wordle game that's in the website. Understand and efficiently implement the jQuery framework. I had known what jQuery was, but I wasn't fully comfortable with it yet, so I took this class as an opportunity to get very familiar with it and use it efficiently. And then become familiar with Bootstrap docs and implement the Bootstrap grid system to make my website mobile friendly. And this was also my last goal. I wanted to make sure I could pull my website up on my phone and use it efficiently using the Bootstrap grid system. My design decisions, so I just wanted an easy user experience to where they could navigate to any page from any page. So this takes form using the Bootstrap nav bar to be able to guide users to any page from any page. And then fonts and colors were simply chosen just because I liked them. And then the user, I also gave them the ability to add a little touch to the website and change it from dark mode to light mode. They can change that on any page. The challenges, so refactoring the website once Bootstrap was added led to some challenges. The grid system on my website took some work to get right. It took a lot of time to figure that part out. Saving the color mode that the user selects across the pages, that also was something I had to learn because when they switched pages, I lost that stored data of the color mode. Bugs, the only pending bug on the website is that to restart the Wordle game, users need to refresh the whole page instead of if they want to restart a word. That's the only pending bug on the website. Demo time, so now we'll just navigate to my website, which is hosted live. So here it is. Here's my home page, To the Stars. I have a nice animation up here. Just a little about myself. And here's that, changing it to light mode and dark mode. So if I change it to light mode and I go to projects, we can see it's still light mode. So then here are some projects I worked on. I put some images in here, some buttons that lead to project pages. And then moving on, we have my entertainment page. And so this is what simply just captures some entertainment that I enjoy, music that I like listening to, a TV show that I like to watch, and now my game. So this is that Wordle game that I created, which is pretty popular right now, but allows the user to fully play a Wordle game and do things that they would like to do with Wordle. And so obviously I have my back end to figure out what it is, so the word's reach here. So I'm going to do reach, and we can see that, congratulations, I won the Wordle game. And now my contact page was the last thing implemented, so this is just a Bootstrap form that's added to the game. And to prove it's mobile friendly, we'll pop that up here, go into here, minimize, and there we go. Completely mobile friendly. I'm able to navigate everywhere, able to play my Wordle game, mobile friendly, just like that. So there's a brief demo of my website. Lastly, 5 things that I learned. CSS animations, that's what we have for every title of every page where it comes across. Learned how to do that. The power of jQuery, I got to finally understand how great it is using it on websites. Flexboxes, this was early on in the milestone generation. I was using Flexboxes to make my website responsive, and then eventually implemented the Bootstrap grid system, which I got to learn how to do that. And then lastly, Bootstrap HTML form processing, just how form processing works. I got to learn how that worked and how a form can be submitted and actions can be established on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching my final presentation.